What's up, Herd? It's Friday, September 6th, and this is your market update. Let's get on into the charts. Bitcoin is continuing to roll over, guys. We are seeing lower prices on Bitcoin every single day now, and I do think we will get down to at least 52,000, if not closer to 50,000 over the next couple of days, possibly into next week. Though I do think we're starting to see whale money flow come out to a point where we could see a reversal soon. As we head into the weekend though, with low volume becomes a higher volatility, and we could see a nice dump to the downside. However, I do want to show you this chart before I move on out of Bitcoin. There is very little liquidity left in this chart to gobble up for whales. We don't have much left in this chart. We have pulled out all of the liquidity back at 55,000, back at 55.4. So we really need to see whales turn up the gas and probably grab some of the liquidity up here at 60,000. So that is my next target for Bitcoin if we do make a reversal here, which I do think we will, as longs have been completely obliterated by the sell-off here. So 60,000 would bring us all the way back up to this resistance line here. But from the current price, that is a jump of over 11%. So that would be nice for whales to come up to that. And that could be a catalyst for us going into the FOMC meeting. Possibly one more dump after that, and then we should be off to the races. However, this could be the last dump, guys. This could be the last time we come down. We could see, worst case scenario, I think we see 46 before the FOMC meeting, or possibly shortly after if we crab sideways for a little bit. I do think we're in the portion of whale money flow where we should see a turnaround here. In fact, trend exhaustion is also very low. Ethereum is down 2% in comparison to 3% on Bitcoin. In fact, Bitcoin has dropped the most out of everything today. We are seeing a drop below support here, so that is concerning for Ethereum. And like I said in Wednesday's video, we could come as far down, I believe, as $2,000 over the weekend, maybe even crest it just past that with a wick. But that would be very surprising to me if we got any lower than that, especially in the next couple days, because whale money flow, again, is very, very low on Ethereum, and it is time to see a bounce. Getting into BNB, looking very similar to all of these. We are touching that inverse head and shoulder pattern that I mentioned on Wednesday. And I do see this bouncing from here right around 496, between 496 and 475 is a possibility, guys, before we start seeing a turnaround. But I do think BNB is going to turn around first. Solana only down 0.36 and has really held up at support here around 127. Should probably draw a new line there, as this has been a solid number for Solana over the last several months, guys. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, Trunk is sitting on top of support right now at about 31 cents, and I do expect this to turn around very, very soon. Whale money flow has come out over the last couple days. However, it is sitting in a place where we should see a reversal soon, guys. And I know BT should be coming out with announcements about some of the deals that we have been working on since InvestFest. Elephant money continues to go sideways, guys, but as soon as Trunk heads up and to the right, guys, I do think Elephant will follow as well, especially with all of the dynamics that have changed, especially for futures. Speaking of futures, guys, the base yield has come up a little bit. I know that's low at 3.9, but as long as you're adding to your balance, compounding in this number in parentheses here, you're still growing your account at the APR that you have, your personal rate plus the base rate, which at 150% for me personally is very high, especially since I haven't compounded since last week, Friday. The name of the game, guys, is to continue to buy Trunk on the BNB side, move it over on the portal bridge, and get it into our Solend pool, guys, or Save.Finance, where you can still make 92% on USDC, and it's good to see this actually moving up, guys. We've seen deposits on the USDC market rise a couple tens of thousands over the last couple days, and I'm happy to see that growing. I do think the deals that BT is working on for this space will have to do heavily with this USDC market, and we will likely see this unlock very, very soon. If you're trying to get somebody new into Trunk, guys, I do recommend that you just do it on Jupiter. Get them a Phantom wallet, get them into Jupiter, swap either Sol or USDC for Trunk in order to DCA in. Now is the time, under $1, to get in before we see multiples. With that, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next Monday, and God bless.